Hey guys, welcome back to another video where we're going to analyze the price of Bitcoin. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this. Some of my analysis tend to be accurate. If you'd like to be getting first tips on that, as well as learn how to trade and invest in crypto, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post the next video. Boy, Bitcoin has been dumping like crazy. I honestly did not expect this to happen because we had this falling wedge here, on the daily time frame. And a falling wedge is a bullish pattern, and what I expected was for Bitcoin to break out of this falling wedge and then go all the way to 43,000, but instead Bitcoin actually didn't. It broke down from the falling wedge. Now on the day that Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge, I did make a video on that day, and I said that if this daily candle actually closed below 37,500, then we should expect to see the price of Bitcoin drop further down. And this is exactly what happened. We actually got this daily candle closed below 37,000. It closed at 36,534. And from that moment, what happened? Bitcoin just been dumping. And I did say that the next support would be like around 34,000, but honestly, Bitcoin didn't even respect this support here at 34,000. It just broke it like nothing. And now right now Bitcoin is currently trading at 31,000. Okay, it's currently sitting at one of the major support, okay, between 29,000 and 30,000. This is like a very large support for Bitcoin. So now Bitcoin, it has some decision to make. And now Bitcoin needs to decide, it needs to really decide whether it wants to continue going higher from here or if it wants to continue dumping further down. Okay, now it looks like we're getting some support here. We got this daily candle that closed, it closed right above 31,000, which is a good sign. But in order for us to really know whether Bitcoin is going to continue going high from here or not is through the weekly time frame. Okay, if we go on the weekly time frame here, let me go to the weekly time frame. Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. Now you'll see when Bitcoin came to this price area here, 30,000, here in the past, what happened? We actually closed above it. And then when that happened, we ended up pushing all the way up to like 40,000, okay? But then we got rejected and came back down again to 30,000. We even went lower to like 28,000, and then we, bounced back up. This bounce back up actually brought us all the way to 50,000. So yeah, the close of this current weekly candle is actually very important. So it's going to really help us to know whether Bitcoin is going to continue going higher from here or it's going to dump. So right now we need to see this weekly candle actually close above 30,000. If that happens, then this is going to be a good indication that Bitcoin is actually going to continue going back higher. Go retest the 39,400 resistance. Okay, so this is what I am watching. I'm currently watching this weekly candle here. There's 4 days and 20 hours left for this candle to close. It's going to be a very huge deal. And then I did say yes on the daily time frame. Now it looks like we are getting some support, which is a good sign, but we still have this small resistance here at 32,000 that Bitcoin is struggling to break. Hence why you see we got this daily candle, it actually closed below it. So this next daily candle that just opened, it needs to close above 32,000. If it doesn't, then I expect the price to actually fall back down to like 29,000, and hopefully we'll get some nice support again from there and bounce back higher. But if that doesn't happen, then if we actually get the daily candle here close below 29,000, then this is going to just give us a picture of what the weekly time frame is going to close at, you know. Probably going to crash all the way down, okay? So, you know, even if Bitcoin does end up pumping back up to like 39,000, there's still a major potential that it could crash back down below 30,000 and possibly go all the way to like 20,000. And this is because of this pattern here on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame here, there is a double top pattern, you know, that is forming here on the monthly time frame. Okay, we have this first top and then the second top right here, and this is a bearish pattern. So if we actually get a monthly close, okay, below 30,000, then this is going to confirm this double top bearish pattern. And you know, the target for this would be like around 17,000. You know, if we actually get a breakout from then this is not going to be good for Bitcoin. You know, we can see Bitcoin go all the way to like 17,000. You know, yeah, it is depressing, pretty depressing if that happens. But you know, if you compare the price of Bitcoin from where it was 10 years ago to now, then you'll realize that it's actually not that bad that Bitcoin is currently at 30,000. You know, it's still actually a pretty good return on investment. If you bought Bitcoin, you know, when it was like around $1 or even couple hundred, you know, right now you're still in huge profit. But obviously if you bought Bitcoin like when it was at 60,000, 69,000, you're probably sitting at a huge loss now. But you know, don't lose hope, because Bitcoin is the future. You're gonna definitely see Bitcoin move to higher prices, to 100,000 and higher. So don't lose hope. Just next time, don't buy when the price has gone up by so much, okay? Before you invest in any crypto, you want to always analyze the chart to see what is happening. You want to see the bigger picture. Is this coin going to continue moving high, or does it look like it's about to crash? So analyze the chart for that coin first before you invest in it. And another thing I have learned, you know, in crypto, the price is never going to just keep going up. It's never going to stay up. So this is why you shouldn't be fearing that you're going to miss out. No, you're not. A lot of people who bought at 69,000, they bought it there because they thought they're going to miss out on the Bitcoin price moving higher. But instead, what happened? Bitcoin actually crashed back down to 30,000. So, you know, even if Bitcoin is going high, if it's 100,000, whatever, it is always going to crash back down to a price that nobody expected it to crash to. So yeah, just always analyze the price of that crypto that you want to buy. Analyze it to see what is really happening, what has happened in the past, what kind of patterns it is forming. Then you are going to know exactly whether now is the best time to buy that coin, or if it's not a good time to buy that coin. Okay, so yeah guys, right now the big thing to keep an eye out on is the weekly time frame, which is going to close here in about 4 days and 20 hours. So if this weekly candle closes above 30,000, then we can see Bitcoin move higher to 39,000, and from there I expect the price to actually crash back down. You know, if that doesn't happen, then that would be very, very great for Bitcoin. You know, we'll see Bitcoin move higher and higher, which will be good for everybody. So yeah guys, this is it for this analysis. I hope you found some value out of this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next video.